I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by adding your card. Open Wallet and tap the plus button, then scan the card or type details. You will be asked to verify. Expect a text, email, or bank app prompt. Complete that step to enable transactions. Once done, make sure to set a default card in Settings, Right Arrow Wallet and Apple Pay so payments pick the right account. You're starting the process now. These actions connect your bank credentials to Apple's secure element and prepare the phone for contactless use. Now you'll practice paying at a terminal. Double-click the side button for Face ID or rest your finger on Touch ID and hold the top of the phone close to the reader. The secure element transmits a dynamic token so the merchant never sees your real card number. That's why it's safe. Once you feel a tap and see a check mark or done on screen, the transaction is complete. If using public transit or apps, follow similar prompts. Authorize, hold near reader, and confirm the success message. Finish by checking your receipt and wallet transaction list. You can open Wallet to see recent charges and tap a card for more details. If you use transit frequently, enable Express Transit for quick taps without authentication. Add multiple cards and switch the default when needed. If a payment fails, restart your phone, ensure NFC is enabled, verify the card is still verified with your bank, and re-add the card if necessary. If problems persist, call your card issuer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.